Now all new at 6, the state's medical cannabis program is facing more legal challenges. A Louisville-based attorney filed a lawsuit on behalf of businesses who did not get drawn in that license lottery. He alleges the General Assembly in Kentucky unlawfully gave the Office of Medical Cannabis the power to decide how applicants were chosen. WHAS 11's Alexandra Goldberg is here right now with more. Alexandra?
Yeah, Doug, well, it's been a whirlwind of challenges for the medical cannabis program. And remember, this lawsuit comes on top of a state audit already looking into the fairness of that lottery process. Now this lawsuit is suing the Office of Medical Cannabis, claiming it's in violation of constitutional separation of powers.
It's a mess. It's a mess, and I think the rush to get things done is led to that mess happening.
Kentucky's medical cannabis scene is not exactly in bloom. With nothing on the shelves, patients are still waiting for their products. Louisville attorney Greg Troutman claims the problems go back to the program's creation, how the state decided to give out licenses. So he's representing businesses in a lawsuit who didn't get the luck of the draw.
All you had was a computer and a screen and a random number generator that populates with numbers. How do you, as a watching that, know how those numbers were drawn?
Troutman says one issue is the lottery draw itself.
There was supposed to be transparency in the process, and that transparency was that individuals were supposed to be able to visualize and view the drawing.
Claiming the Office of Medical Cannabis may have exceeded what the state legislature permitted. He says the General Assembly did not specify if the Office of Medical Cannabis could ask a third party, like the Kentucky Lottery Corporation, to do the draws.
They just left all of that to the cabinet to decide.
A spokesperson for the Office of Medical Cannabis said, quote, "With the General Assembly's approval, the office develops a lottery system that is completely open, transparent, and viewable to the public. We are confident that any court will uphold the process." But Troutman says the legislature should have been more involved, and they should have been the ones to decide how the state was carved up into districts and how many licenses each of those get.
Those are typically legislative matters. Agencies typically fill in the blanks. Deciding what you're going to regulate and how you're going to regulate it is not filling in the blanks. That is the substance of the law.
The lawsuit, just more pushback on how the medical cannabis program is being rolled out. Troutman says his desired outcome with the lawsuit, win or lose, is for the legislature to weigh back in on the process. He did tell me that he thinks the state could expand the number of licenses sooner because of that dissatisfaction from constituents. In the studio, Alexandra Goldberg, WHAS 11 on your side. Doug.